So, I have good news and bad news. The good news first is that I bought a backpack and yesterday arrived the tent. Today arrived the sleeping bag. So let's open that. Wait. Okay, it's pretty big. It's very big. But the news now are that next week is Easter, and my parents want to spend together the Easter, and something happened last minute. So 2 weeks, I think I will do it. Today or tomorrow, I am waiting to arrive the compass I ordered. In case battery and power bank dies from battery, to have the compass to navigate myself. Yeah, and why I'm holding the knife, I don't know.